In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly booking link, whether you're rebranding, updating your services, or just want a more memorable link for your clients. Modifying your Calendly URL can make a big difference in presenting a professional and cohesive image. Calendly is a fantastic tool for scheduling meetings and appointments, and your personalized link is often the first thing your clients see. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to www.calendly.com from the homepage. Look for the login option and click on it. Once you're on the login page, choose the Continue with Google option. This is a quicker choice, especially if you're already logged into your Google account. Just make sure you select the same Google account that's linked to your Calendly setup. After selecting your account, click Continue to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, you should be directed to your Calendly dashboard. Now, in case you aren't automatically taken there, don't worry. Look for a button or link that says something like Go to Calendly and click on that to access your dashboard. Now that you're on the dashboard, locate your profile icon. It's usually in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the My Link option. This will take you to the page where you can update your booking link. On the My Link page, you'll see the current link for your Calendly profile. Click on the Links section to make it editable. At this point, you can type in your new desired link. When choosing your new link, think about making it easy to remember, relevant to the services you offer, and reflective of your personal or professional brand. This small detail can go a long way in making the booking process seamless for your clients. Once you've entered your updated link, locate the Save Changes button and click on it to finalize your update. Calendly will process the change and your new link will be live. Now keep in mind that your old link will no longer work, so it's important to update any places where you've previously shared it. This could include your email signature, social media profiles, or anywhere else your Calendly link might be visible. And that's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to change your Calendly booking link to better suit your needs and branding. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.